How to create another Apple ID if you already have one in Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can create another Apple ID if you already have one in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up a browser or a Chrome. Head towards the search bar and type in appleid.apple.com. Then search for it. Then you land on this kind of interface. Now to create new account, tap on the drop down at the top that says Apple account, and here select create your Apple account. Now you will land on this page where you can create your Apple account. So you have to fill in all of this information right here. First of all, type in your first name. Under that, type in your last name, and then select your country or region. Now if you scroll down a bit, there you have to enter your date of birth. So select your day, your month and the year. If you scroll down a bit, you have to enter your Apple account or your Gmail account, and which will be your new Apple account. Under that, you have to create a password and confirm your password. Again, scroll down a bit, and again you have to select the country options or the country first, and with the country you have to enter your phone number, where you will receive a verification code in order to verify your account while signing in. If you want to select a phone call method, you can also do that. You can also go ahead with the phone call. Now if you scroll down a bit, there you have to enter this CAPTCHA. So enter this CAPTCHA right here, and once done, simply tap on continue. And if your information is correct and if you are verified with your phone number, then you will have your new Apple account or Apple ID. So in that way, you can create another Apple ID if you already have one. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.